Hello friends, I'm Manoj Keja, and this session is about program review for ITS Integrated Test Series. See how we are going to conduct ITS. Several candidates ask us, and that's why we decided to make a program review. It will help you to understand how to take maximum or how to get maximum out of this test series, which is integration of or integrated preparation for pre-com means. For any candidate who is preparing for civil services or going to start preparation, one thing everyone realizes that it's a long journey, tiresome journey, and it demands a lot of things. And since it includes so many areas, right from history, geography to ethics, and so many areas for preliminary examination, for main examination. There are areas where we can integrate topics. There are areas we cannot integrate at all, and the demand is very exclusive in nature because of the nature of the examination itself. For example, preliminary examination for main examination. And that's why in the whole journey, along with your preparation, along with your hard work, one thing is very important, and that is assessment. A regular assessment will help you to understand in which area you need to work more and what is the level of preparation. When you start, it is always better to start integrated preparation only. Integrated preparation simply means you can integrate the whole plan of your study or design your study for both the examination at the same time, or both the levels of the examination, in the sense preliminary and main examination. Specialized preparation is not recommended to begin with. You do exclusively for prelims or you do exclusively for mains only before the examination, or at least first level of preparation is done, then only you go for it. And so it's always better to go for integrated preparation, because in integrated preparation and the way we have designed our test series, that is called ITS, integrated test series. See, in the integrated preparation, at least there are certain areas where you easily integrate your preparation for prelims and mains, and that is polity, geography, economy, environment, history. But there are certain areas which is quite exclusive for you can say prelims also and for mains also. For example, for in prelims, you have to go for art and culture in a different way, the way it is mentioned in the main examination. So ancient, medieval, and general science, and some of the areas of geography also. And in main examination, there are areas which are exclusively designed for main examination, and it has nothing to do with the preparation for preliminary examination. But when you prepare, you need to integrate the areas where it is possible. And so there are areas where you can easily integrate. And at the same time, you can do some specialized preparation for main examination and pre also. And so this is how we have designed ITS, Integrated Test Series. How we have designed it and how you can take maximum out of it. Basically, what we are going to do, one subject at a time. So if you look at the brochure or the test schedule we have designed, so at a time we have decided to go for one subject which includes or which takes care of the test of preliminary examination as well as main examination. And number two, it's very you can say simple and easygoing. It's not very exhaustive. And so we have designed it in, you can say, 3 layers. First layer is of you can say less number of questions. For example, for mains test, we have decided to start with the 10 questions and then in the revision test of the same subject will go at par the level of the UPSC. Similarly, in the preliminary examination, we have decided to start with the 50 questions, and in the revision or complete test, we go with the 100 questions. So, it will help you to you can say, improve gradually. Gradually, you will improve, and it's not very exhaustive, very time consuming. So this is what we have designed. And number 3, after discussion, you will have a very long discussion, so that for main examination especially, so that you can understand the nitty-gritties, and it will help you to clear help you to build your concepts also, clear your doubts also. And then 4th most important is one-to-one discussion once you take a test. Before that also, you are most welcome to contact us for you if you have doubt or you want to discuss anything. So next point is how to take maximum or how to take best out of it. So the first point is you make a list of all the sources. Don't make a long list of sources, and that's why we have also not you can say mentioned any source. Whatever the source, it's available and known to everyone. NCERT and standard books. That's it, nothing else. You don't need to read anything more than that. For contemporary issues, in any case, we are going to provide you material for contemporary issues, because that you will not find in NCERT and standard books. For the updated things, that we will provide you. So take the sources. Then, according to the schedule of the test series, also you try to develop a list of subtopics. And then according to the listing of the subtopic, you try to read it with your available sources. Fine. So number 2, this is what you are going to do. And then try to integrate for preliminary and main examination. What you need to avoid while taking ITS or integrated test series? See, I have seen in the past that candidates used to overthink about the marks, about the time management. So my humble suggestion to you all, those who are going to take this test series, don't overthink about your preparation at this point of time. It's an ongoing process. Improvement is gradual. It's always gradual. It's very incremental. So if you think that very quickly you can achieve very extraordinary marks, very extraordinary level of time management, it's quite difficult. So instead of achieving these two things are the ultimate goals that you have to achieve to perform in the examination. But to begin with, you should focus more on the qualitative aspect, on the conceptual level, rather than the marks or the time management. It will happen, since we have designed in a 3 layer or 3 levels. So first is elementary level, then revision test, and then the full mock. And when you reach to the full mock, the level of full mock, by that time you have already prepared and revised twice. A lot of discussion is already happened, lot of one-to-one is already happened, and so you are ready for the mock. And there you have to perform. There you have to think for the marks, time management, etc. Before that, no, don't worry for that. And for this, for the complete, you can say, ITS, or taking best out of this test series, one and only one thing is required, and that is consistency in your preparation and consistency in participation. You participate, you write, even if your preparation is not done right. Because if you think that once you will prepare, then only you will write, that day will never ever come. So you maintain a consistency and get maximum out of it. Thank you.